everyone, my name is Baitei.
But where is Baitei?
Treat me like what is.
Hi everyone, my name is Baitei, and you are?
And I am Bam Bam.
So Bam Bam, what are we doing here today?
So today is the last day of 7th KVIS-ISF. Of course, we are going to talk about what happened today.
Oh yeah! And our first activity today is the excursion. They go to Nongnooch Tropical Garden, right? I heard the participants get to do a lot of activities.
That's right. The participants can choose whether they want to do flower pot painting, Thai dessert making, or attend a clay pottery workshop. After these activities, they can also wander around and enjoy some delicious lunch at Rimbueng Restaurant. Let's see how they feel. Trogan!
No, oh Bam Bam, Trogon is resting today, sadly. But to be honest, he deserves a rest. So thank you, our hardworking Trogon. Now, let's continue by ourselves. After the excursion was a closing ceremony. It started with a compilation video highlighting the memorable moments throughout the event. Then the award ceremony for oral presentation featured more than 70 awards including Best Presentation and Best Project in each 8 categories. Then final, most prestigious award is the PTT award, choosing from the Best Project winner across all categories, followed with a closing speech by KVIS School Principal, Associate Professor Dr. Bunchot Phaswat Yenyong.
And that was the ending of the long journey 7th KVIS-ISF. The cultural performance and farewell party began, bringing participants a special dinner with Thai cuisine and traditional snacks. Not only performance from KVIS students, but also from our participants too.
Yes, they were all fantastic. But don't forget about the last performance, our beloved KVIS concert. It was a blast. We can clearly see how they all enjoyed the show.
Today is so fun. I still couldn't believe how 7th KVIS-ISF has come to an end.
Yeah, me too. I would love to thank every participant for joining us. This event is a success because all of you guys.
It's time to say our goodbye until we meet again. ขอบคุณค่ะ